Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. 40 days and 40 years. Today, as a Filipino nation, we remember that victorious and sacred gathering that trampled the power and selfishness because of our voices and of our faith. Who would have thought that we will celebrate its 40th anniversary when the church celebrates 40 days of prayer, fasting, and almsgiving, 40 days of discipline, 40 days of learning from the Lord, 40 days of going back to God. We have heard the call of Jonah today. 40 days more and Nineveh shall be destroyed. And on the one hand, Jesus, the one greater than Jonah and Solomon, also experienced 40 days of fasting and prayer. What's with the magic of 40? Why celebrate 40 within this 40 years, within these 40 days? During and after the 40 days of Jonah's call to reconciliation, the king of Nineveh, his men, his nobles, his army, and everyone repented and returned to the Lord. May tumawag, lahat nagsisi, at tumugon ng Diyos sa awa at pagmamahal. During these 40 days, we also see that same pattern. The church calls, and hopefully we all respond, and in the end, we experience God blessing us with mercy. But after 40 years, do we still call? Do we still heed? Do some want to change and be changed? Mukhang madami po kasing umaalma, madaming walang natututunan, at madaming walang pakialam na lamang. By such, my dear brothers and sisters, that we celebrate 40 years of people power during these 40 days of Lent, we pray that these moments or years of tests lead us to moments of victories. These years, moments of contrition, turn us and lead us to moments of consolation. These moments of crying out may hopefully lead us to moments of shouting for joy. Matapos po ang 40 araw ng ating paglalakbay ngayong Kwaresma, may pagkabuhay ni Jesus. At umaasa ho tayo, pagkatapos ng 40 taon, sana may pagbabago. We have learned a lot a lot after 40 years. Sana ay namulat tayo sa mga panahon na ito. Sorry to say the word, sana ho nabatukan ho tayo at nagising sa mga taon na ito. Sana nagising tayo. Sana namulat tayo. Sana namulat ang ating mga mata. And we pray that after 40 years, there may be a bloom of progress, of new life, a reconciliation here in this motherland we have, and to the life God has given us.